today I am not making my bed, but cleaning my room, and I already got my popcorn picked. I already got my popcorn picked up. I mean, there's still a lot of popcorn there, but I've already got it basically all cleaned up. And I'm just going to be making my bed and cleaning my room today, guys. If I've already explained that, then, you know, I would be gladly to explain it again. Oh yeah, I was going in the kitchen to get a thumbtack because my picture, whoa, I'll spell backwards and crack my head open. Will you give me a thumbtack, Dad? Anyways, my dad's getting me a thumbtack because I can't reach him. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of me this late. That's my dad.
Hey. Just one?
Yeah. Anyways, I just need one thumbtack. And so, I need to put up my poster because it fell again. As normal. And I want my room to look good. So, yeah. I might actually help clean this room. Got it. There we go. Now my bye, Dad. Now my bed is about to be made. Because, you know, I want my bed to be made. I have a bunch of like just random pillows that I just use randomly. So yeah. Some of them aren't even like actual pillows. Like some of them are just like just decorations that I put on my bed. Sorry guys, my dad was leaving, not to go to work or anything, but like, he was leaving to go get oil. So if you guys heard that, sorry, but I just need to grab this. Ow! I just need to grab this tiny little pillow. But this right here. Oh no! I'm like, I need to put some. I need to scoot some of this blanket over here. Anyways, that's good now. And I'm going to put these pillows up here. Ouch. Now we're going to set my pillow right there. And my bed is almost made. Not quite yet, but it is almost made. I need to set this teddy bear. You guys fell down. It's probably going to take me a little bit to actually get my room spotless, but you know, I also have, I don't know what this is, but I have this picture. Says welcome on, and I think I'm going to get another thumbtack and put that one on. Look it up. Sorry if you guys see me a lot, but like, I don't know where the thumbtacks are. I'm gonna go yell for my dad. Dad, where's the thumbtacks? But anyways.
How many you need?
Two maybe. Or yeah, one.
Okay.
But Where's your hammer?
You don't need my hammer.
Okay. I need this hammer for something that no, he's mean and won't let me use a hammer because he has a big job for him. Like, you know. I'm hammering this up. Like, trying to anyway. Sorry if you guys keep on falling. You guys will be able to see the process. Maybe I can put this up higher. No, like right here. Try that. This work. Crap. Okay. So I'll put one right where it was. I'll put one right there and I'll grab the other one. Sorry this is gonna be like real long, but like, you know. Let me find it. Oh crap. Lost it. Oh yeah, they're not plugged in. That's okay. Then we know we'll get hurt and fall down. Ow, give me some. Sorry guys. It's taking me so long. They're like actually hard to get in. No, they're actually lining up perfectly. Right. Right here. can't work, I don't know what will. That's good. There we go, finally. Forever just that. Oh, it's good there. Okay. So now I have to fix my bed because, you know. I think now we have to plug in those LEDs. But I don't want to show you guys me going under the bed. So you know what? I'll just take you guys along with me if I can. I can do it. I'm gonna have to make my bed again. Crawling back, literally behind my bed. To plug in. This is my longest video. God. You know what? Where is it? Sorry, guys. So I think we're just going to go under my bed to get it. Wow. Wow. This is going to be fun. I don't want to go under here. Literally, I don't. But you know. We got to go. God, I feel like got my mouth like dirty as heck under here. Found it. I have to go back up under. Right, you guys, right here. I have to go back under, over, boom, ba da ba boom, boom. Now that's stuck. So now this way, have to go this way, and then I have to go this way. Then that's still stuck. So then I have to go this way. And then I have to bring this wire somehow back